Hello and welcome to a quick update about Ethereum Classic. I updated the channel members earlier today already in the weekly altcoin member only update. So just for info, if you are a channel member, I try every week to publish a express update for around 20 cryptos, which is only accessible for channel members. Ethereum Classic was part of that today. What I'm going to do, I want to tidy this up a little bit. Let me take out these levels and we just calculate things again, because there have been quite a few developments since the last update. What I want to highlight is that Ethereum Classic has just been in a sideways movement. You know that I'm still expecting a new low for Ethereum. That could apply here for Ethereum Classic as well. Since it reached here this possible wave 2 reversal area, it has basically just been trolling support here. We haven't really left the area. And if I now go to the 4-hour chart where we can see that in a little bit more detail, I think the overall correction is not yet finished. It is holding fairly well, I have to say that. So we discussed the possibility that the wave 2 could already have been over here. And I mean, we can count a beautiful flat correction here in an ABC after wave 1 was finished. Yeah, remember that we talked about this area here. We did get into the area. Just as when we touched it, we moved up already. This could have been something like a 5-wave move, but because we did not move above the wave 1, came down impulsively, we said, okay, here we had a possibility again for something more impulsive. But the problem is, since then we haven't had any 5-wave move to the upside really. So all of this can really only be counted correctively to the upside. So we have to make the assumption, especially now that we break out of the triangle to the downside, that okay, yeah, right, an ABC was probably done, but we have to look at a possible extension of this. So in that we can count this as a wave W, which contains an ABC, a wave X as a connector, and then here a wave Y, which would also consist of A, B, C, so A, B, and we might now be in the last leg down. So I think due to the fact that we now broke out of the triangle to the downside, the market gave us a signal that we're looking here at another ABC pattern. So overall WXY, yeah? Within WXY you've got your ABC and ABC. It's a double zigzag. Well, or not double zigzag really, this can be considered a flat, but you can count it as a zigzag even though the wave B was very strong, okay? So we'll see, maybe this develops to something different as well. Maybe we will have to count this as some kind of a triangle as well in the end, but overall I'm now primarily expecting lower levels here, and we can count the target for the wave C by taking the length of the wave A, adding it to the beginning of the wave C, and then we have the first target of 31.35. Now that would be the 1-to-1 ratio, but looking at Ethereum Classic as Ethereum as well, I think we can look at the 25.64 level, the 1.618 extension, okay? I'm just going to highlight that here on the chart now. That's one target. Another target that we can use is also by measuring the length of the wave W. That's possible as well. So we take the length of the wave W and we look at the length of the wave Y. And here the 1-to-1 ratio also gets us into the very similar target range of $26. Now, remember when we started that correction for the first time and I highlighted this reversal area for you, I said that oftentimes when you have an extended long wave 5, which we had here with ETC, then you very often in your wave 2, you come actually down very close to the wave 4 low. So we'll see, that is around $23. So I think there's a good chance we get into the lower range here. But what I can tell you, I can't tell you really at the moment how low we really come, but these are sort of targets. I think in the lower quarter of this green box, this might be where we are ending. But what I can promise you is that there was no possibility here to count anything in a 5-wave move to the upside. Yeah, only with a lot of, forcing it. So let's see. At the moment we are heading further down, and I think we primarily look at lower prices. This could have been only the wave 1 and the wave 2 of the wave C. We're now in the wave 3, so there's a little bit more room to go. Okay, yeah, and that is my update about Ethereum Classic. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.